I'd like you to begin by gently relaxing and getting yourself comfortable in a space in your environment, a space where you feel relaxed and safe, and that you feel relaxed and safe with the people and any other animals that may be around you. Feel yourself gently relaxing, letting go and releasing any tension with each breath that you breathe, allowing your breathing to calm you and gently relax you. Your owner wants nothing but the best for you and loves you very much, and they will always keep you safe. So as you allow yourself to relax now, deeper and deeper with each breath you breathe, and at the sound of my voice, you will find yourself sinking into a wonderful state of complete relaxation, and you are feeling calm and peaceful. Although there may be all sorts of noises, sounds and movements going on around you, these sounds are unimportant, and any other sounds you hear from this moment on will allow you to relax even deeper and allow you to release and let go of any tension or built up anxiety. Any smells you smell will also relax you deeper and deeper, and any sounds that you hear will relax you even more deeply and help you reach that wonderful place of relaxation. Any movement that occurs will help you relax deeper and deeper into an even more wonderful state of deep relaxation. So firstly, you are going to begin by focusing the relaxation now, by releasing any tension or anxiety in your eyes, noticing any sensations in your eyelids and allowing them to gently close and remain closed, and feeling warm, relaxed and happy, feeling safe and letting your eyelids relax. Your eyelids are feeling relaxed and at a point where you know you can open them again if you want to. But you are not wanting to right now because you are so relaxed and safe, so you can let them remain closed as you drift off deeper and deeper into a wonderful state of relaxation, releasing any tension. Now allow this wonderful state of relaxation to spread around your nose and over all the hard-working cells and muscles around your nose, those hard working muscles that are always there for you each day to sniff and find things and ground your energies. Just allow that wonderful relaxed feeling to continue to spread around your nose, releasing any stress or tension that may be around your nose and also around your mouth and your lips and your tongue. Just relaxing any tension or stressful emotions that may have built up, finding yourself sinking deeper and deeper into relaxation, and even letting your tongue drop into a relaxed state. And now allow this relaxed feeling to gently drift across to your ears, another part of you that works so well for you, day in and day out, listening to sounds, lots of different sounds, and keeping you safe. Simply let go of any tension that may be in your muscles or cells around your ears. And you are feeling safe and relaxed as you go deeper and deeper, letting go of any fears. Allow your ears to gently relax now, to relax, and as they do, you feel safe, knowing they are there for you wherever you want them to be. But because you are so relaxed, you don't need them to listen as hard for you right now. You are becoming more and more peaceful, calm and relaxed. Take this opportunity to let go of any tension that may be in your shoulders, just allowing any tension to relax and release. And as we move that relaxed feeling now, allowing it to spread, you begin releasing and letting go of any stress and any tension that may have built up in your body. You release it and let it go with each breath that you take and with each word that I say. Find yourself relaxing deeper and deeper. And take this opportunity now to allow yourself to release any tension, allowing it to just relax down your back and your spine and let it go. With each breath that you take, allow yourself to relax deeper and deeper. Continue to take this feeling of relaxation down your spine and down to your tail, allowing the muscles of your tail that serve you so well each day to release and let go of all stress and tension that you may have been holding on to. Release it and let it go. Allow yourself and your body to relax and to trust. And with every in-breath, you relax deeper and deeper. And with every out-breath, you release and let go of all tension and anxiety, allowing this feeling of relaxation to spread throughout your entire body. As all this tension and anxiety leaves your body, going down your neck and down through your back and your spine, and down to your tail, which is so useful to you for your communication. Now, also lay still and calm and peaceful and relaxed, as do your hips, tendon joints, muscles, and all your vital organs that work so hard for you. They too can all enjoy this safe break from stress and tension, and completely relax now too, feeling calm, peaceful, relaxed and safe. As you relax even deeper and deeper with each breath and each sound of my voice, your chest moves slowly and steadily up and down with the rhythm of your breathing. And as you breathe deeply and calmly, you go deeper and deeper into a relaxed, calm, peaceful state. And with every in-breath, you relax deeper and deeper. And with every out-breath, you release and let go of all tension and anxiety. Your front legs that serve you so well, trotting around and grounding energy for you each and every day, can now relax. You can now allow them to relax and stretch and let go of any tension that may be held in your paws. Just releasing and relaxing and letting go even further. As you relax and stretch, just imagine any tension you may have flow out through your front and hind paws, releasing, relaxing, and letting it go. Having a nice long stretch now. Becoming completely calm as all this tension and anxiety leaves your body. And any tension that you may be holding on to in your tummy or your digestive system becomes relaxed and released and let go of, allowing you to become calm and peaceful and safe. And all of the systems that work so hard for you each day, giving them the opportunity now to totally relax and let go of any tension. And the more you relax, you will notice your breathing becoming deeper and deeper, And the deeper you breathe, the calmer you feel. Just allow any leftover tension that you may have to be released through your front legs and paws, allowing the feeling of calmness, peace and relaxation to be present right down through to your front paws. You are completely and wonderfully relaxed now, and your heart center is opening up. Now that you're feeling really relaxed, I'm going to count down from 10 to 1, and as I do so, just imagine yourself drifting down through 10 layers of peace, rest, safety and relaxation. So at 10 you're feeling relaxed, letting go of any tension and stress. Drifting down to 9, you are aware of how relaxed you're feeling. Going deeper at 8, you are feeling happy to release and let go. Relaxing further at 7, you know and trust this is the safest place to be. And now at 6, you are relaxing deeper and deeper down to 5, relaxing more and more as you go deeper and deeper at 4. You find yourself happy and peaceful at 3. You are feeling relaxed now, unwinding deeper and deeper at 2. So relaxed and safe, you can now fall even deeper, and at 1, you are now deeply relaxed and completely safe in mind, body and spirit. And now that you are deeply relaxed, I want you to imagine that you find yourself in a really peaceful, sunny field. This sunny field is your safe place. And in your sunny field there is no one to bother you, and lots of lovely things for you to see, smell and sniff at. And all you can hear are the wonderful sounds of nature. Beautiful bird song, leaves from the trees gently rustling in the wind, and the sound of water coming from a nearby stream. There are no demands of you here, just you here in your safe place. Here in your sunny, peaceful field, there is just you, and you are feeling so relaxed, safe and happy. Here in your sunny field, your safe place, you know that you can release any worries, stress or concerns about your life. You can release and let go of any fears or anxieties or vulnerabilities you feel. They will be released easily and quickly, as there is peace and calmness all around you. You are feeling safe. In this place you can safely release any fears, worries or anxieties permanently, and any stuck cellular memories are easily released and moved on. And if there are any areas in your body that cause you discomfort, then this is where you can release, let go, and ground your energies, feeling relaxed and safe as you do so. Feel the warmth of the sun on your body, helping you to heal yourself and helping you to feel peaceful, calm, happy and safe. And I am now going to ask your owner to join you in your sunny field. They are not going to approach you, but just feel that heart-to-heart connection that you have with them. And I want you to know that they love you very much and want you to feel happy, calm, peaceful and safe at all times. So just take your time now in your sunny field, grounding your energies and releasing any stress, tension, fears or anxieties. Feeling safe and relaxed as you do so. You may notice in your field as you are sniffing and smelling and enjoying exploring your field. In the distance you can hear and feel the vibrations and sounds of fireworks going off nearby. And as you feel the vibrations and hear the sounds, just notice where in your body you are feeling any tension, any stress, any fear, any anxiety. Just locate it, feel it, and let it go. Locate it, feel it, and release this energy now. It is no longer serving you. And know that you can feel completely safe, calm, and peaceful around the sounds and the feel of the fireworks. You may notice now as you continue exploring your field, those fireworks are nearer, and someone is allowing those fireworks to be set off, and you can feel the vibration and hear the sounds. And I want you to just notice where you feel any stress, any tension, any fear, or any anxiety. Locate it, feel it, and let it go, knowing that you will be completely safe. And in your everyday waking consciousness, you will feel calm and peaceful and safe around the sounds and vibrations of any fireworks that you hear, either close or in a distance. I am going to leave you for a while in your sunny field to enable you to keep releasing and continue to look around, to smell, lick, splash, and play around in the puddles or the water nearby if you want to. Feeling relaxed, continue grounding your energies, releasing any fears or anxieties you may be feeling, wherever they are in your body. Stay here in your sunny field for as long as you need to. And when you wake up later in your everyday reality, you will feel refreshed, calm, peaceful and completely safe. You have the ability to access this feeling of being in your safe place, in your sunny field, at any time you feel you need to. Know you can access and take this feeling of calm and peacefulness with you whenever you want to, into your conscious waking state, in your everyday reality, should you need to. So just notice now how calm and peaceful you feel, and know that you can take this wonderful feeling of relaxation, peace, calm and safety into everyday conscious waking state, and know that whenever you hear the sound and the feel and vibrations of fireworks in your everyday life, you can access this feeling of peace, calm, relaxation and safety should you need to, enabling you to feel happier and safer today and always. No matter how you've coped in the past with any loud noises or vibrations from fireworks, I can assure you that if you can access this feeling of being in your sunny field, your safe place of relaxation, calm, peace and safety, you will feel happier and safe, allowing you to ground your energies, allowing them to flow from you. So as you are here in your sunny field, become aware of how peaceful and quiet it is. This is the place that you can access as many times as you wish. Any time that you feel the need to ground your energies, come back here whenever you wish throughout your day, and know that by doing so the world around you will feel much more relaxed, peaceful, calm and safe. You will cope better when you are relaxed, grounding your emotional energies and releasing any fears from your body permanently. Just like you are now in your safe place, your sunny field. I'm going to leave you now in your sunny field to enjoy and look around, sniff at all the wonderful smells that are surrounding you, and for you to just feel totally relaxed and completely calm and peaceful. Stay here for as long as you need to. When you're ready to wake up, you will feel refreshed and safe and calm. In the meantime, I'm going to count you back from 1 to 10, lifting you back up the layers so you can remain in your safe place but able to connect with our safe world too. Beginning to count up now, starting at 1 and 2, listening to release up to 3, feeling happy and safe to 4, sniffing a few more things in your sunny field, and back to 5, allowing your attention to be on both your safe place and my voice, and up to 6, becoming further aware of my voice, up to 7, feeling more aware of your presence, up to 8, feeling more aware of your environment here too, and to 9, knowing you can remain in your safe place and with us too, and 10, fully aware you are here with us and still feeling nice and relaxed. I'm going to leave you now feeling nice and relaxed. Stay in your space for as long as you need to, unwinding and processing any information or feelings that may have come up for you during this hypnotherapy session. And when you do finally awake, you will feel refreshed and calm and safe. You will feel refreshed and calm and safe, becoming lighter. Allow yourself to wake up within your own time. And remember, you can access your safe place feeling if at any time you need to ground your energies, or you start to feel any insecurities, tension or anxiety. It is with much gratitude to you I tell you that you have done very, very well today. And I thank you for working with me. You are loved very, very much and accepted by all. Namaste.